Guys, it is cold outside, but I have to go shovel and maybe sled. Wow, it's cold out here. Everything is like pure ice. Some of it's snow, but most of it is just ice. Like, look. It's all up my driveway. Ice. I'm trying to like break it so that my dad doesn't have to fight to get in the driveway. I don't know. It's all ice. The sidewalk is clear, but that's because I shoveled it. So, yeah. Hey guys, so tomorrow is Thursday. It is like 6:30 right now, and it's Wednesday. And then the day after that, I go on an aeroplane. But for now, I gotta shower, but I don't want to get out of bed because I'm really comfy, and it's cold in my room, so I'm all snuggled up in a blanket. So I gotta go get dinner, and gotta put some chapstick on. Gotta brush my teeth. And yeah, so I'm very tired, but it's 4:52. Actually, it's 4:54. So I'm gonna get dressed. I'm gonna miss you. Gonna miss you. Hey guys, so we're in the airport, got our bags, and my mom's trying to get her shoes together. Hey Mom. So we're currently waiting on our train to go to our gate. So we made it safely through our terminal to TSA, and I do see our plane, but it's really dark outside. I don't think you guys would be able to see it. Yeah. So we are getting ready to board. Let's go board. We're going to board. Let's go.
Oh, yeah, Bella?
No, I've just seen it. We're about to take off. Can't vlog. We're up. Hey guys, so we're landing. I'm not at the window seat anymore. I switched. But in the end, you'll be fearless like a lion. We're landing. We've landed. I'm really gonna try to get this vlog uploaded, but I just don't know about the internet situation.
No, wait for if they put it right here.
So I'm in Ulta right now. We're in Atlanta, Georgia. I'm not actually in Atlanta, but I'm just looking for my lipstick and a few makeup products, because I just don't have some of the things. I need lip balm. I don't have any lip balm, so I'm gonna go look for it. I don't know where it would be though. I've never been to this Ulta. Well, that was a complete and total fail. Let's go see if I can find any other lip balm that I like. Hey guys, so I'm in the car, in the rental car. We got some Chick-fil-A because we were really hungry, and my mom went into Walmart to see if she could find some flip-flops because it's really hot here. I keep forgetting to start the camera. I started it the wrong way, then I didn't start it. Okay, anyway, we're in Publix, and I'm about to smell these flowers. Bet. I can't smell it. It's too, like... Oh, that's great. It's great. We're picking out some cheese. We are making it in, like, Italian dinner. Ah! There's my mom. Shh, she doesn't know the camera's on her. Dun. She crazy. She don't care. Here's our meal so far. We have apple pie for dessert. So I've had these before and I really liked them, so I'm gonna open it up and you guys can watch me try it.